Welcome everyone. In this section, we're talking about one command and only one command, git rebase. So this is a command we haven't talked about at all. I don't even know if I've mentioned it so far in the course. And that's because it's another one of these commands that you don't have to use. These days, a lot of people do use it. But as I'll talk about in the next video, when I first learned Git, I was actually told to avoid rebasing if possible. And there's reasons for that I'm going to go into. So without spoiling everything, or not spoiling, but without just trying to explain it all now, I'll just say that I don't plan on marking anything as critical, but I'm going to put everything in important. It's worth knowing about. And increasingly, rebasing is part of workflows or companies' workflows on engineering teams. So you probably want to know about it. Even if you won't end up using it day to day, some people do, definitely. So we want to start by understanding the difference between two things that are similar, rebasing and merging, two different ways of integrating changes from different branches. And then I'll show you how to use git rebase, and then I'll talk about when not to rebase. That is a very important thing to understand, something called the golden rule of rebasing. But that's really all we cover in this section. We're going to see a bit more of the rebase command in the next section. It does something different, or there's a second way we can use it. But in this section, we're focusing on using rebase to combine branches. All right, let's talk about rebase.